Natural and cultural road in the Caribbean region. The road is called the Natural and Cultural Road in the Colombian Caribbean. This road at the begin and the Rafael Núñez Airport. In the city of Cartagena, international in character. Since Cartagena is one of the main tourist cities in the country, this because it was a Spanish port and conserved part of the colonial history. This represents in the Castillo de San Felipe, La Torre del Reloj, among others. Cartagena now at the stone corralito, el corralito de piedra. It is made so in the historical park. You can go to the beach. It has excellent hotels and a lot of night. It enjoys prestigious hotels and providence of tourist service, such as restaurant, bar, and nightclub. Among its many attractions is the Los Corales de Rosario and the San Bernardo Natural National Park, where nearly the 80% of the Colombian coral are present in the continental shelf. This national park is made of the two archipelagos, that of Nuestra Señora de Rosario and that of San Bernardo. It is also the community within which have lived with nature as the protected area for many years. This community offers the service of walking, diving, among others. We can also visit the most populated island of the planet, Santa Cruz del Islote. The islands as well have a visual identity, both in their construction and their living. Among the species that are conserved in the park, we have coral, sea turtle, mangrove, among others. All this is conserved for the enjoyment the future generation. Another destination in the city of Cartagena is the Naval Museum, which is a historical building almost 3,500 square meters. This is divided in two large salons. Colonial and Republican. This is the story of Cartagena de India. Will be stayed in the dirty way from faith inhabitants. Story of navigation of the Colombian Navy. The colonial salons was built in colonial times. It preserved intact. The archipelago, the architecture, which was built in the early 17th century to become the seat of the first school, the Society of Jesus, in America at the end of the 18th century. The cultural destination obviously had to the house museum of the poet Julio Flores. This Colombian poet was born in Chiquinquirá department of Boyacá in 18 1957 and died in the house in 1923. Among the work of the poet we have Howard, Chrysalis and Lilies, Basket on Laurels, Bounce of Barbers, and Lyrical From. The poet knew the population of Usiapuri because of the medicinal water that pour out from the earth. These waters were thermal and weakened, high contents of iron, sulfur, magnesium, mercury, and zinc sulfate. Beginning in the town of Usiapuri, he there met the person who would be and his wife. I stayed there from 1909 to 1923 when he died. The museum house was built in the 19th century. This house keeps alive in the memorial on the work of the glory colloquial writing, such as the poet Julio Flores. There we can see some on the belonging his mortal remains in those of his wife. Currently, the museum house is used in pedagogical tools in the development of the learning process of the academic population, which effectively support process that promote art, social coexistence, citizen participation. Proportion is set at the national level as destination for cultural tourism on the Caribbean region. Nowadays, the well can be used since they have right or due to their indiscriminate use. We can only observe the brief recovery they have had over the years. The Palomino Beach are located in the portion of the department of La Guajira, among abundant forest cover. They correspond to the buffer zone on the Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta National Park, which provided it with unmatched beauty, but without the congestion of the beaches of the Department of Magdalena, or high price in trick that one can do with bugs, perhaps half of other similar destinations. On the Palomino Beach, you can see the pristine beauty and mount to the Palomino River in the Caribbean Sea. We have unique transparency. The beach is one of the favorite places for European visitors, which generate the act the event a destination with many facilities, and the sense in sustainability. One can walk directly to the road to the beach without any problem of public order, which makes it very desired, but without the crowd. The place has rural-like accommodation and the very harmonious with the environment. There are restaurant service to the beach on the road to the sea, one dedicated oneself and contemplation, diving, swimming, meditation, hiking, and many other activities to the beach. People should not leave solid waste and must try to live to the occupied place in the same state of cleanness, so that next visitor find in the beach in the same condition that we found them.